Here's another two-in-one problem. Since we are asked to subtract the sum of this polynomial and this one from 3x plus 4y minus 8a. So what we're going to do first is to add these two. So I'll write 5x plus 2y minus 3a here, and then negative 2x plus 3y minus 4a below, making sure that similar terms are in the same column. So negative 2x plus 3y minus 4a. And then we'll add the numerical coefficients. 5 plus negative 2 is 3, so 3x. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5y. Negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7, or negative 7a. We will subtract this from 3x plus 4y minus 8a. So this is our minuend, and this is our subtrahend. So we have 3x plus 4y minus 8a minus 3x plus 5y minus 7a. Next, we'll mentally change the sign preceding each term in the subtrahend and then proceed as in addition. So this becomes negative 3, this becomes negative 5, and this positive 7. And then we add 3 plus negative 3 is 0. So 0x. 4 and negative 5 is negative 1, so negative y. And negative 8 plus 7 is negative 1, or negative a. So this is the result when we subtract the sum of 5x plus 2y minus 3a and negative 2x plus 3y minus 4a from 3x plus 4y minus 8a.